Platform clear. Platform clear means you guys are out of here, so enjoy your 150-foot plunge here on Emperor.
Alrighty. Floorless dive coaster. Only one in California. Alright. Such a beautiful view of San Diego and SeaWorld too. Look at that. You're in the back, you get a good spot. Okay. And this is the part where they kill us. Oh boy. Oh my god. Woo boy. Oh my god. Hell yeah. There you have it. That's Emperor at SeaWorld San Diego. An awesome floorless dive coaster.